Curturesti Library is a bookstore in the old town of Bucharest. The building that currently houses the bookstore was built at the beginning of the 20th century by the Cristovaloni bankers family. In this design library, you can find books in different languages, vinyls, and boxed games, a must for book lovers. Pereș Castle is one of the most interesting places in Romania. It's easy to reach, but only the external part can be visited, because it's property of the royal family. If you're lucky, you will be able to see foxes wandering around the castle gardens. Slanik Mine is an old sub-mine closed for extraction purposes, but open for visitors. In the mine, there are several recreational activities such as ping-pong tables, mini-golf, and basketball courts. You will be amazed at how immense the mining complex is.
I told you long ago.